Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 6th standard. Students, today we are going to learn and we are going to start a new chapter, that is 5th chapter, grouping of materials. So your day-to-day life or around you, there are so many materials are there. You have observed that if you go to that your bedroom, you have to see that sofa, chairs, or that some other materials like fans, and you have to see that your board, that cupboards, and different items also you will find out that in your bedroom. If you go to that kitchen, you will see that different kitchen items like utensils. You will see that gas. You will see that cooker, that our gas stove. So many spice items are that is put in that boxes. So different places you will see that different materials around you. Yes. So we are going to learn that grouping of materials. What is that necessity and what is that grouping? So grouping of materials means, students, whenever you go to that market, you will find out that in the shop, especially in the kirana shop or in bookstall, or if you go to that medicine store, they have arranged one particular material or particular one things in one place. Okay, क्यों ऐसा रखते हो? क्या जरूरी है एक one type of things they are keeping in one place? Because whenever the customer will ask you, they suddenly they will go to that place and they will take out. If the medicines are there, one particular types of medicine, suppose cold or cough medicines, they will keep in one particular place. Whenever they will find out that this is a cold or cough medicine, suddenly they will go to that place and they will find out that medicine. Very easy to handle because the number of different types of medicine are there. So whenever if you mixing and they will keep there like that, they cannot find out. So that's why today, students, we are going to learn about that. We are going to study about that grouping of materials. हमें material को कैसे group करना है. That means we have to classify them according to their criteria or according to their some properties. Okay. So let us discuss about that. First of all, what is that grouping of materials? Let us see. So before that, we will learn first of all what are the learning objectives, what are the things we are going to learn in this chapter, and what are the new words in this chapter, and some terms. So let us see first of all learning objectives. In this chapter, we are going to learn क्या करना है हमको, different kinds of material around you. हमारा around में क्या क्या मटेरियल है, हमारा चीज हमारा मैं सपोज आई एम स्टैंडिंग हियर अराउंड मी व्हाट आर द थिंग्स आई विल सी दैट व्हाइट बोर्ड, आई विल सी दैट मार्कर, टेक्स्ट बुक्स, टेबल, फैन एंड मोबाइल फोन एंड दैट कपबोर्ड्स, इंक, different things, different materials around me will see. Second things क्या है, we are going to learn properties of material. वो जो material हम around me हमारा पास में है वो उसका प्रॉपर्टीज क्या है. ऑल मेटल्स हैव नॉट सेम प्रॉपर्टीज, सो डिफरेंट मटेरियल हैविंग द डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज. उसका प्रॉपर्टीज हमको पढ़ना है, उसका अपीयरेंस क्या है, उसका हार्डनेस क्या है, उसका सॉल्युबिलिटी इन वाटर और नॉट, और इट इज इनसॉल्युबिलिटी और नॉट, व्हाट इज द डेंसिटी ऑफ दैट मैटर, वेदर इट इज ए ट्रांसपेरेंसी और नॉट, हाउ उसका प्रॉपर्टी मतलब हमारा पास में मतलब अराउंड अस व्हाट आर द मटेरियल्स वी आर फाइंडिंग, व्हाट आर द प्रॉपर्टीज. ओके, वी विल डिस्कस इन दिस chapter. Next, now friends, come on, we will see that what are the new words in this chapter. We will learn specially, you have to remember that especially this new words. Microscopic, 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 invisible, requirements, convenience, classification, observant, aluminium, lusters, density, transparent, opaque. That 11 new words I have given, and some new words if you will find out also you can write and you can remember. With the spelling also we have to remember. Once again I will read that. You find out that new words: microscopic, invisible, requirements, convenience, classification, observant, aluminium, lusters, density, transparent, opaque. These words for your new words you have to remember, and you have to remember with the spelling also. Now students, we will discuss about that. मटेरियल क्या है, मटेरियल का मतलब क्या है. सपोज देखो बच्चे, हमें कौन सा भी मटेरियल हम देखेंगे अराउंड अस, व्हाटएवर थिंग्स, Okay, suppose one will see that one table, it is made of wood. ठीक है, one substance we are seeing, which one is made of which material? Wood. With one chair or one table we are seeing, these are the materials. It was made of that some substances like materials like wood. This is one of the substances. Okay, so look at here, material is any substances. Material is one of the substances. Okay, by which you can use for making objects. हमें जो मटेरियल हमको मिल रहा है, सपोज fan is one object, or that we are saying that one object is one fan. So it is made by that iron or the plastics. So iron material we are making that our fan. Suppose if you say that one chair table, it was material is what that material used. Which material? That is made by wood, or we can use by the plastics, or it is used by the iron. So different materials with different objects or we are making. Okay, so this is called as materials. Microscopic organisms. So we'll next term we will discuss about that. Very important terms, friends. Microscopic organisms. That means micro means what is that? Micro means very small. Okay, micro means very small. Macro means very large. So microscopic organisms, that means those organisms we can't see, or it is not visible to our naked eye. Okay, which we can't see through our direct eyes. That means it is visible only through the microscope. Through the microscope, then we can see that organisms are called microscopic organisms, or what is that? Microorganisms. Shortly we can say microorganisms. Did you understand, friends? जो ऑर्गेनिज्म को हम खाले आँखी में मतलब डायरेक्ट ओपन आई में देख नहीं सकते, हमको देखने के लिए हमको क्या चाहिए? माइक्रोस्कोप चाहिए. वो ऑर्गेनिजम्स को हम बोलते हैं माइक्रोस्कोप और माइक्रोस्कोपिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स, और माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स शॉर्टली कैन से. ठीक है, जो ऑर्गेनिजम्स को हमें माइक्रोस्कोप थ्रू वी कैन सी, दैट कॉल्ड एज माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, लाइक बैक्टीरिया, फंगी, virus. Okay, do you have seen that? Yes, protozoa. So these are the microorganisms which we cannot see our naked eye. You have seen that now. Viruses, very smallest microorganisms is the virus. Okay, the viruses, you know that our coronaviruses, can you see? You know, if you see, you have to close your mouth, you can close your eyes, or you have to go away from that, but we can't see by our naked eye. But we can see that microorganisms through that microscope. ठीक है, so different, there are 5 general major 5 groups are there microorganisms, like the bacteria, fungi, algae, okay, protozoa and a virus. So these are the general major 5 microorganisms. Microorganisms means the organisms which are visible only under microscope are called microorganisms, or microscopic microorganisms, or microorganisms we can say. Okay, microscopic organisms or microscopic, or we can say microorganism. Example of bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa or viruses. Next we will discuss, my students, grouping of material or things. That we will go for that. I already have told for their classification. Means grouping means we have to make it a classification. Okay. The process of sorting out and grouping things according to the some basis or criteria is called classification. मतलब if suppose one author is there, okay, it is Gopabandhu author. That means Gopabandhu is one writer. He has written number of books. So in the world there are different types, different means there are so many writers are there. They have written the different books. So if one bookstall or in a library, if you will find out that books, you cannot find out. But in particular library, in a particular writer, if you will keep that on all books, then easily if you want, suppose Henry Fender's books, if you want, you have to go that Henry, that one cupboard is there or one shelf is there for that, or our that president, suppose what is that, APJ Abdul Kalam's books, if you want, Then what you have to go on a particular place, and where it is the APJ Abdul Kalam books that the authors all will get. So that for one particular classification for we are making it groups. Okay students. So next we will discuss about that, particularly what are the groupism and how we are separating that materials, and what are that classification we will study in that next video. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.